My name is Amrish. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena's High School in Chandapura branch.
Elements and symbols.
Elements and symbols. Hydrogen H, helium H, lithium Li, beryllium B, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon N, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Am, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, fluorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, calcium Ca.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dongri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Types of soil.
Types of soil. There are 6 major soil: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, desert soil, laterite soil, mountain soil.
Important system of human body.
Important system of human body: nervous system, brain and spinal cord, endocrine system, endocrine glands, digestive system, mouth and stomach, reproductive system, male and female reproductive, circulatory system, heart and blood vessels, excretory system, lungs, nose and nostrils, excretory system, kidney, skeleton system, bones.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Largest organ is skin. Number of bones is 206.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and education, right to constitution remedies.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Jama Masjid, Kona Sun Temple, Khajuraho, Qutub Minar, Great Fort, Taj Mahal.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukyas, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagar, Vardhana.
Major dams in India.
Major dams in India: Teri Dam, Bakranangal Dam, Satta Sarovar Dam, Inokund Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, K.R. Sagar Dam, Tungabhadra Dam, Vanivila Sagar Dam, Super Dam, Halmati Dam, Kabini Dam, Linganamakki Dam.
Most popular international airports of India.
Most popular international airport of India: Indira Gandhi Airport in Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bengaluru.